doing today?
Doing Yummy Nummies candy bar maker. That's what I was gonna say.
Candy bar maker. Alright, so let's get this one open and see.
The tape. Hold on. Bust it open.
Let's get this one.
Bust.
So let's take out the stuff and see what we got in this package.
Yeah. Oh, cool. There's a lot of trays. Even a mustache.
Alright, so this says that it comes with white chocolate packet, dark chocolate packet, plastic cutting tool, melting bags, mini wrappers, an instruction sheet, and a magic tray.
Yeah, look at it. Mustache like Mustache Pass and a dog.
Let's see.
Mustache Pass.
Oh, okay, so it makes 6 candy bars and they have little different characters and pictures on them. Alright, so let's get this open. Alright, so let's see what we do first here. Alright, so our instructions say choose a chocolate packet for your first candy bar. Fill one of the melting bags to the line with chips. Alright.
Chips.
With chocolate chips.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm going to choose the mustache.
So here is...
I'm going to choose the mustache.
We're going to fill the mustache first? Okay.
Yeah.
So here is one melting bag. And it says to fill it to line 3. So
yeah,
there's
but how
the
will
3.
you melt it? Put it in the fridge?
We'll see. We'll keep reading the directions and see. It says to pour the chocolate chips into the bag. So Eddie's going to pour these chocolate chips into the bag and I'm going to hold the bag. Go ahead. And we're going to fill it to line 3. Make sure they come out.
I hope there's some going to drop. Come on, throw in.
Alright, so we chose to do the dark chocolate first. Now it says to put the end of the bag into warm water so that the warm water melts it. So Eddie's going to hold this top part closed so that water doesn't get in the top. And he's going to hold it and dunk it into the water.
This time I'm going to be good.
Get it all dunked in there and get it melted. Let's see here, hold it under. So this is just warm water, or well, hot water from the faucet.
Yeah.
So
don't put the water in there.
Too hot.
Like me.
So it says once. Once it's all melted, then we're gonna cut the tip of it and squeeze the bag of melted chocolate into the trays. So for this time we're gonna do the dark chocolate and we have nuts. So some crushed up walnuts here. Crushed up walnuts that we're gonna
They smell yummy.
Put in our chocolate bars.
They smell yummy.
Okay, so we have our
yummy.
Bag of chocolate all melted here.
It looks like some kind of grossing.
All right, so we're gonna cut the end of the bag. So there.
Oh.
Okay, and then we are going to fill the trays with chocolate. So go ahead and grab your tray.
This side.
All right. Right here in front of you, and then you are going to squeeze the chocolate out of the bag into the tray. Let's open that up a little bit more so it comes out.
Yep.
So go ahead and squeeze, and you said you're going to do the mustache one first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks kind of like wormy stuff, like a worm.
Keep squeezing. And you're going to take your knife. You got your knife?
Oh, what's right here?
And you're going to spread it out.
It dropped.
And you're going to spread the chocolate into the tray.
Yep.
Okay, so go ahead and grab some of the nuts and you're going to press them into the chocolate. So there's our chocolate, and that's in our mustache bar mold and just grab a little bit of the nuts. And we'll drop them and press them into the chocolate.
You press, I drop.
Just a little bit more right here. Alright, that's good for this one, and we'll go ahead and we'll fill up the rest of the molds and we'll... Alright, so there's our nuts and our chocolate. And then it says, once we get all of the molds filled up with the chocolate, then we will place it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. And then we will take them out and see what kind of chocolate bars we got.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them in the fridge.
Well, we're gonna finish filling them up, and then we'll show you what they look like once they're done chilling in the fridge. So we waited our 5 minutes, and we decided just to do the chocolate this time so they didn't get mixed up in any way.
Let me see. Cool! It's all spread out.
And now we're supposed to just be able to pop them out. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, there it is. You want to grab that?
Look at it. It's so high.
Let's get them all out here. Take this one.
That one.
And our last one.
I'm gonna eat the mushroom.
Here you go, take this one here.
I'm gonna eat the mustache.
Oh, mustache broke. All right. How does that taste? So these are our little chocolate bars. One that says I love you, one that says #yum. So they're walnut chocolate bars. How does that taste? Just like a Hershey's? Oh yeah.
I think I'm gonna die.
From too much chocolate?
Yeah.
So, it also comes with these little wrappers, these little foil wrappers that we get to wrap up our chocolate bars in. So we're gonna wrap up our bars here and see if we can make them like a special, just like a little Hershey's.
I can't eat anymore. Chocolate.
Too much chocolate. So much chocolate. Alright, so here's our little Yummy Nummies chocolate bar.
Yeah, it looks like gold. It is gold, actually.
You look like the golden tickets from Willy Wonka.
What does that mean?
Oh, I forgot, you're too young. Alrighty, so we're going to wrap up our other chocolate bar and we'll have them later.
It looks like the championship.
Because you got the gold.
But it looks like a trophy. Okay.
Alright, so we had fun making our chocolate bars. I'm just going to go ahead and munch on these.
Yeah. This looks like a Hershey's.
Hershey's?
Like the small Hershey's. Like a small
the fun size from Halloween.
Yeah. Halloween. Bye. Please subscribe for already and have fun with your videos. Bye.